Hi, I'm Jenni from Tuftinglove, and in this video we're having a quick look at our new AK5 tufting machine. You can either have this in cut and loop, and that's exactly what we're starting with. Tufting machines are usually available in two different options, a cut pile version and a loop pile version. So what it does is the cut pile version actually cuts open the yarn and creates this fluffy open texture, which you can also carve three-dimensionally. And the loop pile creates loops, as the name says. And you can work with the, oh, there's a little fluff. And you can work with the texture of the loop that the machine creates. So these are the two base options that you usually have with a tufting machine, and you also have with the AK5. There's a cut pile version of the AK5 and the loop pile version of the AK5. So you have to decide on what pile you're gonna want to use for your tufting projects. Compared to other tufting machines, the AK5 is the most silent and lightweightest tufting machine we offer in the shop. And that's because the motor part here is different than with the before models of the AK1 and the AK2 tufting machines. This also makes the whole tufting process so much smoother, and this little light in the front here, I was joking a bit about it when I first saw the machine, but I have to say, now I really like the light, because especially when you tuft a bit longer in the evening, this thing is super helpful for you to be able to see perfectly where you have to tuft. And the last super nice feature is that we have a digital speed display. So you can figure out which speed is your most comfy speed to tuft for, like curves and straight lines. And you can just reset your tufting machine super easily. For me, the AK5 became my new favorite tufting machine instantly, because it's so much smoother, lightweight and more silent. So tufting is an even more joyful experience with the AK5. And now you might be thinking, well, I want to have cut pile and loop pile at the same time. Well, there's a bundle deal at the very bottom of this page. So if you want to treat yourself with both the AK5 cut and the AK5 loop, you get a discount down there. Bye. Oh, I forgot one thing. What's in the box? So in the box, obviously, there is a tufting machine. There's also the power adapter with the EU plug in it. There's a threader and the usual spare parts that you're used to from all the AK machines. So if you have a cut pile, there's also spare scissors, and there's the little Allen key set. So you're really set to go with the AK5 tufting machine. So I think now I didn't forget anything anymore. So that's really bye, and happy tufting. Bye.